Floyd's Mayhem Garage here. Well, been working on quite a few things. C500, General Mayhem, Daytona, Crew Cab, and the stock car. And actually, really, I haven't been doing a whole lot with it. Got it running and driving. And that's about it. You know, painted it, put the stripes on. I still have not done much with it. I haven't taken it anywhere. I haven't, other than to work. Of course, we are sort of wintertime here, even though it hasn't really snowed much. We're 50 degrees or so outside today. But seeing that I haven't really done anything with it, let alone interior even, still got to finish that off. Still don't have a doghouse. It's all on the list, along with the Daytona and all that. But I figured I'll go on a a sort of mini road trip today, I guess. We'll see how that goes. I'm just gonna go to the next town over because I have yet to have this thing outside of Strasbourg. So I guess we'll take some baby steps here. I'll see how miserable this thing is to drive further than 5 minutes. So let's have some fun today. Strapped in, we're ready to we're ready for something. Like I said, I haven't really taken this outside of Strasbourg where I live here, so this should be pretty interesting. Maybe see if we can get some reactions from anybody, or comments, or thumbs up for sure. I always get thumbs up. But yeah, we'll see how it does. I'm thinking, from how I've driven this so far, all of the engine heat comes through here and up over the dash, because I still don't have a dash. And then this side of the car, because the door in here is not sealed off, so it's like air conditioning on this side, and like a heat gun on this side, or it's worse than a heater over here. And then of course, because the exhaust goes through the tunnel, it's insulated, but I think I need another layer and some more insulation, and that might make it bearable. So, going on a long drive here, I think the longest drive I've taken so far was to go take pictures, and that was 7-8 minutes maybe. And so this should be about, it's going to be longer than that. So, because next town it's miles in the other direction. So, well, this will also be the first time on the highway. We're not geared for highway, which is kind of interesting. So that'll be, I'm curious to see how that goes. I know mathematically speaking, I think at like 3,500 RPMs, I should be doing 65. So that's more so my cruising speed. It will do 75, but I'm probably not going to push that. And yes, we'll be on the slow lane with the high-speed looking Nascar. Yeah, let's see if anything spectacular happens. I'm not thinking so, but well, you never know. so far so good. I do remember, now that I'm driving this, the further I go, I've got to do something about the fuel system. It likes to get hot and it starts running pretty rough, kind of like it's starting to vapor lock, but not completely vapor locking. Electric fuel pump in the back does keep pressure, but it does start to run pretty rough. So I've got to figure that out. But not too bad. Oh, this thing's such a blast. This car is so just ridiculous. Oh my god, it's so awesome. It hopefully we're getting starting to get really windy, so hopefully you can hear me all right. But yeah, this thing I remember why I don't drive it very far. Although it's 50 degrees today with a breeze, and breeze turning into a pretty strong wind here. This is about the right temperature to drive this. So I was still sweating just a little bit in there, but I was definitely more comfortable than I have been. And yeah, one of the things I kind of forgot about this car, when I drive it a little further, it starts running pretty bad. And it's acting like it's vapor locking. But I do have the fuel pump at the back by the tank, so it is keeping a constant flow of fuel at least, but I don't have it set up with a return line. So I know that's something I need to work on. I think a return line would really help. I do have the fuel line insulated, but one of the problems is it runs on the inside of the car here. You know, there is nowhere else to run it on this. And with how much heat from the engine comes to the interior, it really makes it run pretty rough after not that long. But nonetheless, it's still amazing and ridiculous. So I know I've been trying to focus on the Daytona. I really want to get that going. But now that I'm here, or you know, messing with this today, I really need to get some work done on this too. This thing would be awesome if I could take it on a longer cruise and have it actually you know, be somewhat drivable. You know, if I can take it into the Denver area, which is about a half hour, 40 minutes, that'd be cool. Go visit some friends, go to some restaurants, you know, things like that. Go shopping. Just go other places with this, you know, other than Strasburg out here. But we'll see. I'll keep working on stuff, because amongst, you know, everything that I'm doing, the Daytona, I've been eyeballing my swept line too. I want to get that thing fixed kind of soon as well. So of course you'll see all that in future episodes of Lloyd's Mayhem Garage. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.